I'm back where it all started. This is Umesh Refreshments. Namaste ji. And we're going to see exactly how they make their ghee roast masala dosa. What I called the best dosa in the world, and I still think it is. And yeah, we're going to get a master class on exactly how this thing of beauty is made.
Paper pudi masala. Paper pudi masala.
Paper pudi masala.
Paper pudi.
Paper dosa.
Masala. Masala. Paper pudi masala. Ghee.
Wow. Look at all that ghee. Masala.
Masala.
और मसाला पेपर पूरी मसाला
जी सही है सही है हाँ बहुत सुंदर है हाँ जी शुक्रिया. So that's how you make a real dosa. Not the dosas we get up in the north. Those have been like murdered basically. That's Umesh dosa. It is actually worth coming to Karnataka just to eat dosa, and it does actually matter where you go. Come to Umesh, you can go to nearby Rameshwaram, you can go to, what is it, CTR, any of these places, you're gonna get an incredible dosa.